2015 Kia Optima. Removing the gear select. Originally, I'm taking this apart because you can just pull the gear select without even touching the brakes. So there's obviously something stuck inside. Could be solder spilled in there or something, but it's usually something stuck inside of there. Best case scenario. So I'm gonna show you how to remove it. First you want to pull this up, and it pops right up. Usually I turn the car off, but it's in the parking brake is on, but I'm gonna turn it off anyway. So you just want to pull this up and then give this a tug. And just lift it straight up. To get this off, just pull that up. As you can see, it still does it, so no foot on the brakes and it still moves. Just take a look in there. There it goes. So let's see. And there goes your problem. So basically this switch here was a piece of an air foam was wedged in there and keeping it open and unlocked, unable to lock itself back. So there you go. Reinstall.